Welcome back to Curious Scan. Today's video is going to be a game changer because I'm going to show you how to play real PC games directly on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, download the GameHub app using the link in the description. Once installed, open it up. You can sign up using any email address. Just pick a cool avatar, enter a username, and you are in. You will see a library of games, but to play your own collection, head to the My section and click on Import Games. Select PC Game and grant the storage permissions. Important. Make sure you have already extracted your game files to a folder you remember. Navigate to that location and select the game's exe file. Now for the most important part, the settings. If you want smooth gameplay, copy these exactly. Set game resolution to low. Compatibility layer, Proton 10. Translation Params, Extreme. DXVK version 1.5.5. VKD 3D version 2.13. FX version 910. Don't worry about the rest. The VC Redis files will install automatically. You might see a tiny bit of lag right now because I'm screen recording at the same time, but on your device, with these low settings, it is going to run butter smooth. Go ahead and turn your phone into a PC. If this worked for you, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!